Before we get into this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I will take the first question. You asked about Ademola Lookman. Yeah. For me, as a Nigerian, I think I'm delighted. I'm happy. Our players are performing in Europe, doing so well in Europe. This is the best time for Nigerians that are playing in Europe. Ademola is a player that we need. We love him, and I'm glad for him that he had that spectacular performance yesterday. I sent him a message to congratulate him, not just him. I think the players also, Boniface and Teller. It's a good thing for Nigeria. For a very long time, we've not had players doing so well in Europe. And me being the head coach of Super Eagles, I think it's wonderful for me. We need all these players to come back home and perform for us. So, one, as a Nigerian, I'm so delighted. Two, I'm happy for Lookman that this team has won the Europa League, and yeah, him scoring 3 goals, which has not happened in a very long time, or maybe in the history of the Europa League. So quite happy for him. Looking forward to having him in camp.